Welcome to the Mortgage Loan Originator Professional Certification and Training Program. In the next few minutes, you'll discover everything you need to know to launch your career as an MLO and pass your certification exam. Let's get started. This comprehensive program empowers you to master mortgage origination fundamentals, meet all certification requirements, successfully pass your assessment, and launch your professional MLO career with confidence. As a mortgage loan originator, you'll help clients secure home financing by evaluating their financial situation and guiding them through the application process. Your core responsibilities include assessing borrower creditworthiness, presenting loan products, processing applications, ensuring regulatory compliance, and maintain client relationships. Certification is managed through the Nationwide Multi-State Licensing System, or NMLS. You'll need a high school diploma, clean criminal background, and strong credit history. The training includes 20 hours of pre-licensing education covering federal law, regulations, and ethics. The MLO exam consists of 125 multiple-choice questions. You'll have 3 hours to complete it, and you need to achieve 75% or higher to pass. The test is computer-based, and you'll receive your pass or fail notification immediately upon completion. Focus your study efforts wisely. The 3 high-priority domains are federal mortgage laws, general mortgage knowledge, and mortgage loan origination, each with 23 questions. Ethics and uniform state content are medium priority with 10 to 16 questions each, while the remaining domains are lower priority. Let's test your knowledge. A borrower asks about the difference between APR and interest rate. What's the best response? Take a moment to think about it. The correct answer is B. APR includes fees and costs. The annual percentage rate provides a comprehensive view of loan costs because it includes the interest rate plus additional fees like origination fees and discount points. Remember, interest rate is just the cost to borrow, while APR is the total cost. As a licensed MLO, you can work in various environments: traditional banks and credit unions, mortgage companies, online lenders, and mortgage brokers. You must comply with federal laws including the Truth in Lending Act, RESPA, Fair Housing Act, and Equal Credit Opportunity Act. State requirements include licensing laws, continuing education, background checks, and surety bond requirements. Excellence in client interaction requires 5 key practices: active listening, clear communication, empathy, transparency, and consistent follow-through. Always act in your client's best interest. Maintain confidentiality. Avoid conflicts of interest, and provide accurate information. Professional conduct demands honest representation, timely communication, professional competence, and strict regulatory compliance. Plan for 4 to 6 weeks of preparation, with 1 to 2 hours of daily study and weekly practice tests. Review course materials, create flashcards, and focus on weak areas individually. Join study groups to discuss complex topics and maintain peer accountability. Your certification requires renewal every 3 years. Complete 15 hours of continuing education, 8 hours on federal law, 2 hours on ethics, 2 hours on non-traditional products, and 3 hours of state-specific content. Maintain your NMLS account and update your background checks. Here's your quick reference: 20 pre-license hours, 125 exam questions, 75% passing score, 3-hour test time, 8 content domains, and 3-year renewal cycles. Your key success factors: study, practice, focus, prepare, and succeed. Your journey to MLO certification starts here. Ready to pass your MLO certification exam? Get free practice tests from PracticeTestGeeks.com. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code to access comprehensive practice materials and prepare for success. Good luck on your MLO journey.